Well, we're currently about to climb through 5,000 feet on our way to 5,500 feet. We're using pitch mode to hold about a 7.5 degree nose up attitude, which in this airplane at this power setting gives us about a 100 knot cruise climb. We've got a heading mode engaged, holding a 080 heading. And I have a VOR tuned up. It's about 40 miles away. I'm going to do a little bit with VOR mode after we level off here. Let's say we wanted to use VOR mode to track straight to the VOR station. That's pretty easy. Here's what we do. We center the course just by pressing the course knob, and we rotate. Or you can just press and hold. It centers it with a 2 indication. Now we want to use the Autopilot to follow the VOR radio. All you do is press heading roll to access the Autopilot roll settings. Press AP nav. Done. VOR mode is engaged. It's going to take a short cut to the left here to get onto our radio because VOR signals are a little bit wobbly. It'll wander just a little bit while it gets established. Then it will fly us right to it. So what you'll see is that the VOR horizontal deviation signal wanders back and forth, but the airplane is still flying straight and level. And if you want to see what happens if I change the radio, that's pretty easy. Let's do about 5 degrees to the right. Now the aircraft is doing a left turn to go get that radio again. And it sets up a nice little intercept angle that'll get us back onto it. We're only 1.5 miles from the VOR now. This is the point where we enter what they call the cone of confusion, when the VOR signal starts to get very screwy. Let's just fly right over the top of the VOR and watch what the airplane does, or rather doesn't do. I can see the VOR station straight ahead out the window. As we fly over it, the CDI indication on our PFD will start to get real funny as the signal becomes weak and unreliable. But the aircraft will track straight and level right over the top of it. Look, we're right over the top of it right now. And we're not upside down. Haven't done anything funny. We're tracking outbound from the VOR, and we didn't even know we passed it, other than now we have a from flag on the HSI. That's about all there is to it with VORs. You can use the same method to fly a VOR approach, except you're changing altitude at the same time. Nothing to it.